The first predecessor of the church, the chapel of Stakiai, or Pamituvys at the time, was built in the middle of the 18th century. Later, the founders of Veliuona church, the Zaleckiai, allocated some land and funds in order to build a church. Thanks to them, in 1821, the chapel was rebuilt into a church, and an altar was installed in 1823. In 1875, the church was expanded. In 1909, its interior was renovated. The significance of the church can be seen not only through architectural point of view, but historical one too. In 19th century, a parish school used to operate here. In times of the Lithuanian press ban, Stakiai priest Feliksas Sireika used to buy forbidden press pieces published in the Lithuanian language and give them away to the parishioners. Thanks to his efforts, the deanery building was built as well. During the period from May 1906 to May 1907, Juozas Tumas Vaižgantas served as a curate with this church. Due to his efforts, a permit from Samogitiya bishop was obtained to marry newlyweds at the church of Stakiai. So far, the parish has been known for Saint Anthony from Padua, Feast of Indulgence. In terms of volume, the church is compact one. It has a rectangular plan, a portico, and an apse. The building has features of classicism architecture. The main facade holds an expressive classical portico with a triangular pediment propped by 4 columns. The foundation of the church is bricked out from split stone. The church is decorated with ornate small towers. A small 8-vault tower erected above the main facade is open. Its helmet, a canopy, in the style of a bell, is propped on 8 supporting small poles. A sculpture of Blessed Virgin Mary stands inside it. A small tower, identical yet of smaller proportions, decorates the ridge of the presbytery. Inside the church, 3 altars made in the Baroque style are built. The high altar is adorned with a picture of Saint Anthony from Padua. In 1903, the organ, made by maker Montvilas, was installed in the church, and it has been operational so far. In the vicinity of the church stands a tall, massive wooden belfry with a tin-plated hip roof. Its foundation is built from stonework. In the belfry, a small altar of St. George, used during processions, is stored. In the southwest corner of the churchyard, a rock cave with a sculpture of Blessed Virgin Mary trampling underfoot a grass snake is built.